Our sales dropped down. What should we do?
We need to hire a new salesperson.
Or we can use digital selling services.
Okay, let's go with both the options.
In traditional approach, company has scheduled an interview for sales executive, where they hire an employee, explain him about their services, and gave him months for start generating leads. On the other hand, in digital approach, hire digital Romans, where the advertisement first planned, then launched, and received 15 inquiry. 3 months later.
Any update?
I'm building contacts with few people.
I already have 20 hot leads in hand. And we should sign up the projects with clients. After 6 months.
Sorry sir, we could not generate the sales leads because the person has resigned.
I have signed up 3 new accounts with 2 new clients and 25 new hot leads in hand.
I know the traditional approach is important, but we cannot ignore digital marketing. So let's focus on it.
So, what are you waiting for? It's time to go digital with digital Romans.